Dear students, myself Vijay Pratap Singh. I am your commerce teacher. Today, once again, I am going to explain you about dimensioning balance method. In last lecture, today's last lecture, what I had taken in same lecture, I had explained you about dimensioning balance method. On that dimensioning balance method, I had explained you in normal English, in normal language, how we can able to calculate depreciation with the help of dimensioning balance method. And before this video, this first lecture, I had explained you to calculate original cost method. With the help of two methods, we can able to calculate depreciation. In front of you, dear students, I have made structure. This is the structure of plant account. Otherwise, we can say machinery account. Plant and machinery account we can able to make with the help of this structure. First one is given debt, particular and amount. Next one is given debt, particular and amount. According to that, we have to calculate dimensioning balance method. Dimensioning balance method I had explained you well. But one more students, today we have to think when we are going to purchase any machine. In first lecture, I had given normal explanation of dimensioning balance method. But today we are going to discuss about the machine. Suppose we had purchased any machine any day, after that we have to sell it. After selling, we got profit or loss, that thing we have to discuss here. Dear student, suppose we had to purchase a machine any cost and we have to sold it and we are getting loss, then we have to write here by settlement of profit and loss account. And if we are getting loss, we have to write here in credit side. But when we are getting profit, we have to write on that side in debit to settlement of profit and loss account. Same thing we are going to discuss here today. Once again listen, suppose on 1st April 2016, I had purchased one machine to bank account. Machine I had purchased on the cost of 5 lakh. So dear students, be careful. Machine I had purchased on 1st April 2016, 5 lakhs. Now we are going to calculate depreciation on 31 March 2016 is here, and now next one 17. And depreciation rate is the 10%. With the help of that, the entry will be there by depreciation account. Okay, depreciation we have to calculate. This is the process. 5 lakh 10 by 100. Suppose we got 5,000. 5,000 we got depreciation. Just I have written here 5,000. This is the depreciation value of 1 year of the machine, which value is the 5 lakh. Now we know well we have to make balance by balance CD. That side we have to write CD. Okay, so here total amount is 5 lakh. Total 5. Now when we have to do balance, then 5 lakh minus 5,000 means 4 lakh 95,000. Okay, means wait for a minute. Depreciation is there 50,000, 4,50,000. 10 is also there. See, 5 lakhs, 30 and one more 40 should be there. With the help of 50 lakh is the came 50,000 after depreciation. Same thing, same amount we have to write here. So come here on 1st April 2018. Our amount should be 4,50,000. Now I is the written here, but when we have to write same amount here, it should be changed to balance. Now it should be changed to BD, and amount is there 4,50,000. 4,50,000. According to that, we have to make second one transaction on 31 March 2019. Same depreciation we have to calculate by depreciation account by balance CD. Okay, this is the dimensioning balance method. With the help of that, we are going to solve our depreciation. So now our valuation is 4,50,000. अब depreciation आप निकालोगे 4,50,000 divided by 100 means 45,000 depreciation came. Okay, now we have tried 45,000 and total balance is there 4,50,000. So dear students, see clearly what I am explaining with the help of this video. Now total 4,50,000. Just we have to make a balance. 45,000 we have to subtract from here. 4,50,000. The answer will come 4,05,000. It is the amount. This is the amount. With the help of that, we have completed 2 years depreciation with the help of dimensioning balance method. Now, next year we are going to sell that 1st April 2019. Okay, to balance BD and amount is at 4,05,000. 4,05,000. Same amount we have to write here. 4,05,000. Now, dear students, we are going to discuss about that. For example, this machine is going to sell. Now valuation is there 4,05,000. The machine value is there. But on the date of 31 March, I had sold that machine, and the full year same 31 March. On the closing date 31 March, I had sold this machine on the cost of 4,10,000. Otherwise, on the same cost 4 lakh by bank account. So dear students, be careful here. The machine valuation is at 4,05,000. अब मशीन का दाम यहाँ 4,05,000 है और मशीन को मैं 4,05,000 में साल के लास्ट में 31 मार्च को अगर मुझे ग्राहक मिलता है तो मैंने बेच दिया, तो एंट्री होगी बाय बैंक अकाउंट 4,05,000। क्लियर? 4,05,000 से इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, हमने इसको बेचा है 4,05,000 में और ये मशीन हमारे पास पूरे साल रही भी है, तो हमें डेप्रिसिएशन भी निकालना होगा बाय डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट ऑफ द 12 month। 4,05,000 into 10 divided by 100 means 40,500। 40,500 depreciation value is coming, so we have to write 40,500. okay, with the help of that we have to calculate these things. Don't forget, and that balance is a by depreciation, that 40,000 amount is given here. With the help of that we have to close. Now some changes we will do here. Which changes we are going to do? Before starting that topic, I have told you, when we are getting profit in depreciation, that balance amount we have to write here. For example, on 31 March to settlement of profit and loss account. How much amount is there? 40,500. 40,500. That much amount we are getting profit. So now we have to make a balance with the help of that. This is the closing. Okay. So same thing. Both amounts should be given here. Same amount is here written, क्योंकि मशीन का दाम 4,05,000 था और मशीन हमने बेचा कितने में? 4,05,000 में ही। तो मशीन को हमने साल के लास्ट में बेचा है, तो हमारे पास डेप्रिसिएशन भी पूरे साल की निकालनी होगी। और पूरे साल का डेप्रिसिएशन हमारा आता है 40,500, मतलब 40,500 का मशीन ने हमें प्रॉफिट दिया है, तो उस प्रॉफिट को हमने यहाँ लाके लिखा है सेटलमेंट हियर। अगर ये मशीन लॉस में देती तो हम इसे क्रेडिट साइड पे ही लिखते हैं। यही इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट था जो मैंने इस वीडियो के माध्यम से, इस लेक्चर के माध्यम से आपको समझाया। सो नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, डोंट फॉरगेट, दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव मेड दिस वन क्वेश्चन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। नाउ मेक बैलेंस it. With the help of that you can know how much amount is coming. Okay, here normally I am going to write same way. You have to make a balance. Balance is coming 40 and 500. You can do it with the help of yourself. I am writing here with the help of working note because I want to give a lecture. But when you are solving these types of question in exam, you have to do it in the proper way, in the fastest way, in shortcut method. Now we are going to add 5, 4 and 4. Once again repeat 5, 4 and 4. 4,45,000. 4,45,500. Second balance is also 4,45,500. With the help of this video, this lecture, you can able to know this is the diminishing balance method. With the help of that, you can able to calculate your question with the help of second process. This process is an important part for your questions. Now, once again, I am repeating why these questions I have given in front of you. With the help of that you can able to solve. Solution here, depreciation we had calculating with the help of balancing method. So what is the balance is coming here? Same balance they have to write here on that 1st April 2018. Next balance is coming here. On that balance they have to write here. With the help of that video, you can able to know each and everything, and this is the consult. With the help of that, you can able to make plant account. So now, dear students, this is the important information for you. With the help of that, you can able to solve your questions. Now, you have to repeat it and make a note. With the help of that, you have to know how we can able to make plant and machinery account. This is the important information for you all. Now, this is the steps. With the help of these steps, you can able to know each and every question. If this type of process is coming in the question in exam, in any problems, you can able to solve. If you are facing any doubt anywhere, you have to write a comment. And dear students, this much hard work we are doing in front of you. Please subscribe my channel and share this video in your friends. Thank you all for listening my lecture. Thank you.